Good evening traders, it's Simon at KS Capital Markets with the weekly review of Aussie dollar and pound yen. So this week it's all about the dollar and what actually happened throughout the week, and we'll explain what's happening next. So this is the DXY chart and this is the dollar index as such. So what it has here really is, I want you to understand the key levels here. We've got 97.3 as a key level, and we've got 94.5 to 93. That's the zone that is as a key area as well. Now, when price dropped down here, some people were looking to go long, an inside bar there, and a lot of other charts correlated to this with the inside bar for a lot of dollar pairs. If you remember last week on Aussie dollar, we had that inside bar as well on the weekly at the key level and the triple top pattern, which we'll go to in a minute. But we had this breakdown afterwards, and the reason why I was a bit reluctant to go long the dollar was because this was in the middle of nowhere and I didn't like it too much. So as you can see, the breakdown now really is going to go to 94.5. That's really what we're looking for the next level. If that's the case, then looking at Aussie dollar weekly chart, we can now safely say the 80 level is key with this 200 EMA, weekly 200 EMA, which is the monthly EMA as well, 50 EMA. So just so you understand how strong 80 is, it's the 1, 2, 3, bit of there, 4, 5. So this 80 is a nice round number to aim for next, it would be. Now the next thing I want you to understand is this, is if you come back here, this was a bear trend. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Now, price at the moment has closed here on the weekly chart. It's never closed this high since it's come to this pattern whatsoever. This is a huge sign. This is the market telling you, hey, look, don't buy the dollar right now. You're doing something. You're not on the right side of the trade right now to buy the dollar this very second in time. So this high is actually is the highest close ever since these charts around this area here. So you're looking 2015, May 2015. That's 2 years ago. That is now. Highest high in 2 years, that is, and it's a close as well. So for me, it's taking a message from the market, and how can you go from there? If you also remember last week, I did tell you that although I was bearish at the time last week, I said I needed the confirmation on the daily chart for that. And what I was saying with this is a higher low, sorry, and I was looking for either a lower high or a double top pattern. And we got the complete opposite there, guys. We got a bit of deceleration here, some reversal candles, beautiful. Then a bullish engulfing candle out, not too bad. Then we had a bullish engulfing candle, it accelerated more. Look at the size of the candle, it's bigger. Then we had another bullish engulfing candle, smashed through all the levels here, no problem at all, with a lot of energy to the upside there. Last time it did that was around this area here, but it wasn't with any. This is showing weakness here. This part here shows weakness. It took a lot of moves to get there. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days to break the level. Here it took 1, 2, 3 days to break the level. So there's double the amount of energy there. And then to top it off, this huge bullish engulfing candle to the upside here, which says to me that, you know, it didn't like the 77. It's cleanly just gone. So what we do now is this. We need to look at what we're looking for next. So I would personally say some form of test around this area here. That's what I'll be looking for roughly. Anywhere around this yellow zone here would be quite nice. Nice couple of low tests, and then take it long. And like I said, I'll take it long to one of the daily levels, I would, which would be round about, well, we had 80, and you got to use this area here. 80 is a key level, 80.5 is, you can say, is key, 81 is quite nice as well. So you got this whole area of levels which you could look at. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a zone in there now, because this is prominent now, this is. So we're going to go like this, like that, and we're going to have, what level is that? We're going to have 80 to 81. Let's have a look. See what that comes up like. 80 to 81 looks quite nice there. So you got a nice zone there. So that's what I'll be looking for next, really. A move downwards. You need to see the confirmation, and then we have the move to the upside. That's what I'm looking for there. Exactly what I'm looking for. So pound yen next. Now last week I said to you I'm still bullish the pound right now because of the higher time frames. Pound yen in particular at the moment, what we are having higher lows now, and we are in a triangle, And what we've done now is create another doji at the top here of 147.5. So we haven't closed above it yet. Now when the dollar gets weak, the yen will normally have a little bit of strength there to it, so it becomes like the reserve currency temporarily. And what we got now is the pound is battling here quite a lot, but we have got a nice close, a nice bullish close here. So for me, I just want to see what happens now, because I still see 41.44 being a lovely, beautiful area to take a trade off of, no problem at all. Something along the lines like this. Get your entry there, get something like that there, and you can take this to whatever the higher time frames would suggest. So we can go on to there. 155 would definitely be the next key level for me. There's your key level. You got the weekly 200 EMA, so we're 155 with the key area there. And as usual, you know how I feel about this pair. So 155. Be nice over 150,000. 155 could be 11% trade there, 10-11% trade, no problem at all. That's what I'll be looking for, roughly something around that kind of area. So that's my personal opinion there. But right now, what do we do? It's a wait and see again, because this could still do the same as last week. It can still pop up, then come down, or come down, then pop up. That's what I'm seeing here. So hopefully with the weaker dollar coming up for the next week, the yen will power up, this will pull back down nicely, and then we can take it long. Okay guys, that's what I'm seeing for the week. I hope it helps you out, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.